I walked this a while ago with my sister, but never drove it. But I know other people have driven on it because they've done work on this side, the electrical, and been over here a couple of times. So you can see tracks were put here. And I think the neighbors next door have used it. They won't allow us to have an easement, which is fine, but you know, easements are legal binding pains in the butt. But anyway, it's ooh, it's a little bumpy, but it's doable, especially with a truck. And remember, it's a logging road. What do you think, Sammy?
I like it.
Likes it.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Not with the truck. I don't know if my big wheeled vehicle would fit through this one though. I think somebody just cut that one. Yeah, and then we're here. And that right there in the distance is the shed that we're going to be removing. Okay, we're here. We're on the other side of the river. Coming to get the electric box over there. Again, that's the shed we're moving. And there's cabin, the distance, and what's left of the bridge. So this guy with his truck made it up and down this road here, this one. And our neighbors complained that they couldn't do it. City folk. Our cabin from the opposite side of the river. It looks like those cement barricades we put under there are holding up nicely. I'm sure they've turned to stone right now. Eventually, all that paper will come off and it'll look more like that. A little more uniform, but that held up amazingly well. All those stones, they did not go anywhere during the storm. Just bringing over a ratchet strap so we can tie the white fence down when we take it back. That side of the property. Just too funny. This logging trail was rough the first time I walked over it, but several people have driven over it and it's passable now. So that's how we got over, to get the fence and the 2 electric boxes that we need for the lake property. If you haven't seen videos from the lake property, I'll try to remember to put a link at the end, or you could just look in my playlist and find it there. I do appreciate you watching, subscribing, and liking. Thank you. This is the view from the other side. You can see the house. Okay, I'm trying to get there. There's the house, cabin. So we're moving ahead slowly but surely. Got the faucet in, getting the countertop in. Decided I was going to glue the sink to the top. Makes it a lot easier because it's very thick to be able to get everything sandwiched in there. And we also put up the shower doors. See if I can get a wider shot. Kind of tough to see. They look good. Just gotta clean up the pan. Painted the shelves for the cabinet in the bathroom. It's up there painting up, touching up the fascia board. They're great painters. We got a beautiful day today. A little windy, but otherwise beautiful. All the boards are in a better position than they were before, and the broken ones have been replaced. We're going to put mulch in this area, so all these little things that are sticking up have to come down, and that is what he is doing.